Nestled in the heart of Shaanxi province, Xi'an, once known as Chang'an, holds the honor of being one of China's ancient capitals and is a cradle of civilization. Steeped in over 3,000 years of history, this city stands as a testament to the endurance of Chinese culture through the ages. From the legendary Terracotta Army to the bustling streets of the Muslim Quarter, Xi'an beckons travelers with its captivating blend of tradition and modernity. Join us as we embark on a journey through the timeless streets of Xi'an, unraveling its mysteries and uncovering its hidden treasures. The magnificence of the Terracotta Army. The Terracotta Army, discovered in 1974 by local farmers, is undoubtedly Xi'an's most iconic attraction. Guarding the mausoleum of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, this vast army of life-sized clay warriors is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century. Visitors can explore the three main pits, each containing thousands of meticulously crafted soldiers, horses, and chariots arranged in battle formation. The detail and craftsmanship of these figures are awe-inspiring, offering a poignant glimpse into the ancient military prowess of China's first emperor. Walking through history on the ancient city wall. Xi'an's ancient city wall, dating back to the Ming Dynasty, 14th century, stands as one of the most well-preserved fortifications in China. Encircling the city center for over 8 miles, the wall offers visitors a unique perspective on Xi'an's past and present. Stroll or cycle along the ramparts, adorned with watchtowers and battlements, and marvel at the panoramic views of the city skyline. For an unforgettable experience, visit the wall at sunset when the golden hues cast a magical glow over the ancient bricks. Indulging your palate in Xi'an's Culinary Delights. Xi'an's culinary scene is as diverse and vibrant as its history. From sizzling street food to refined dining experiences, the city offers a tantalizing array of flavors waiting to be savored. Head to the Muslim Quarter to sample local specialties such as lamb kebabs, rujiamo, Chinese hamburger, and yangru palmo, crumbled unleavened bread soaked in lamb stew. To taste imperial cuisine, dine at one of Xi'an's renowned dumpling restaurants and savor delicate dumplings filled with savory meats and vegetables. Whatever your culinary preferences, Xi'an promises to delight your taste buds and leave you craving more. Exploring the Shaanxi History Museum. For history buffs and culture enthusiasts, a visit to the Shaanxi History Museum is a must. Located near the Big Wild Goose Pagoda, this world-class museum houses a vast collection of artifacts spanning the rich history of the Shaanxi region. Explore exhibits showcasing ancient pottery, bronze artifacts, jade carvings, and exquisite Tang Dynasty murals, each offering insights into the region's cultural heritage and artistic achievements. With its impressive architecture and extensive collection, the Shaanxi History Museum provides a fascinating journey through the millennia of Chinese history. Xi'an, with its wealth of historical treasures and vibrant cultural heritage, offers a captivating glimpse into the soul of China. Whether you're exploring the ancient wonders of the Terracotta Army, walking along the storied walls of the city, or indulging in the flavors of its culinary delights, Xi'an promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted and inspired. Plan your visit today and immerse yourself in the timeless allure of this extraordinary destination.